Hello, good evening, everybody. Happy weekend. How are you guys doing? Hope good. This night I have a lot of things to do. Sorry, I didn't come back in time from market. The first I want to produce is tablet bathing soap, and I'm using goat milk. I'm using goat milk soap base. This is goat milk soap base. So I'm using goat milk soap base to produce this tablet bathing soap. So first of all, I have to cut out this is the quantity I will need. So I have to pieces it. I have to pieces them. You can use the transparent one, but I choose this goat milk because I want that person's body to be growing. The person is dark in complexion, he's a man. I just want his body to grow. I don't want anything that will brightening his skin. No, he just wants a growing skin. Just cut it into small pieces. Because you will use double boiling to melt it. If you have microwave, you will use your microwave and melt. But I'm using double boiling to melt it. My water is in the fire. As you can see, we are melting our soap base, our goat milk soap base. We are melting it using double boiling. So this is our melted goat milk soap base. I added the African soap to it. You have to be fast. If not, this soap base will block back. So you have to be fast when making use of the. If you can see this thing, you have to be fast. So I have to start putting my powders first. I'll put my powder first. Remember, I said that I'm doing it for a dark person. You just need his skin to be glowing. I have here orange peel. I have another powder I will add is oatmeal. I have oatmeal, 1 tablespoon. Another powder we add is neem powder. Neem powder is very good. It fights bacteria. Another powder we add is my turmeric. Just a little bit of turmeric. Another powder we add here is my ground eco rice. Then I will have my oils. I'm not going to put much. I have my sunflower oil. Just little. I have my vitamin E. As you can see, it's blocking back. So I will still have to put it back in double boiling so that it will melt. I'm not supposed to do that, but I'm not that fast. I have my coconut oil. I have my almond oil, very good oil. I have my jojoba oil. I'm okay with all this oil. Then I will put preservative. Okay, I didn't need to put preservative because this soap base contains preservative, so I didn't need to put preservative. So I will add my honey. So I have to put it back on a low heat double boiling. Then I'll add my oil because it's broken back. So that's why I add my honey. So we have added all the ingredients and the soap I've melted. I have to be fast. I have to pour it inside the mold before it will start blocking back. Remember, this is a growing brightening soap for a dark complexion person. So we'll now put it inside our mold. This is my mold. The person wants it in tablet form. So can see it's melting back again. So if that I'm not fast enough, it will have been like this before I will put it inside my mold. So we leave it like this till tomorrow morning. So this soap is for dark compression person. You just need this thing to be glowing, not brightening. The man don't want a brightening soap. It will just be glowing his skin, make his color to be glowing and all that. That is what this soap will do. All right, thank you. See ya. Shalom. Let me see our goat milk bathing tablet soap. This soap will grow your skin, leave your skin flawless. Can you see? We have fiber from the soap.